Hey Tracy, my name is Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks so that you can outrank your top competitor online. So when we type in HVAC company in Denver, here is what shows up. We'll talk about this top part later here. These are ads in the Google Map Pack, but this is the organic search here in Google. And these are 2 directories, so we're not going to worry about those. But here's your top organic search right here, Summit Heating and Cooling. So we're going to talk about what they are doing to get themselves ranked here that is allowing them to do that. And we're going to compare it to what your website is doing and how you can make some improvements. Okay. So you're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you in the first place. And I've realized that so many small business owners out there are so busy running their business and taking care of customers that they just don't have the time to learn how to do this and to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And they don't know who to hire either because they don't know who's an actual expert or not. So what I've started doing was creating an attack plan to show small business owners, and I've just been giving them away for free. Some people take the information and do it themselves, and some other people just call me and say, you know what, Brandon, I like you. I just don't have the time, tools, or capacity to do this. Can you help me do this? Whatever you decide to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal is that you learn something from this video and to help you make some more money, okay? So I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So let's take a look at your website here. It looks great. The design is good. You've got your reviews. These graphics that come in from the side is great. I mean, the design is great. The question that I have is this actually generating revenue for you? Or is it just acting as a digital business card? Okay, so let's talk about it. The first thing that Google ranks for is content. So content is king when it comes to Google. The average website on Google has about 1,500 words. So that would be a good starting point. You guys probably have around, if I had to guess, 750 to 800 words, somewhere in that area. So my first step would be to get to at least 1,500, if not 2,000 words. But what is even more important than the number of words is what you place within the website. So we want to place what we call buyer intent keywords. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for a product or service that you can provide. Okay, so for example, air conditioning repair in Denver is a keyword, and you've got some of these in here, right? HVAC contractor, Denver. HVAC repair, Denver. These are great. So you're off to a good start here, but we need to beat out your competitor. So what I've done is I've taken your website here and I'm comparing it to your top competitor, Summit Heating and AC. That's what comes up first organically. So this tool is called Ahrefs, and it's a paid tool, but you can find tools out there for free. But you apparently, according to this site, and take this with a grain of salt, this is not always accurate as with every other site like this. It's usually anywhere from 3 to 10 times more than this. So take it with a grain of salt, but it's generally accurate in perspective to other, relative to other websites. So it's saying that you have 7 keywords and it's generating about 1 person per month, which again, probably not super accurate. It's probably 5 to 10 times this amount. But let's compare it to your top competitor, which is Summit Heating and AC. They have apparently 2,200 keywords, and it's generating this much traffic along with, backlinks and domains, which I'll talk about here in a second. So what you need to do is take all of the buyer intent keywords. That's key. Buyer intent is very important. It means that somebody is searching for a specific service. So Denver HVAC, that's not necessarily buyer intent. Just because they have all these keywords doesn't mean they're all buyer intent. So furnace and AC tune-up in Denver would be buyer intent, or AC repair or furnace install Denver. Those would be buyer intent keywords. So you need to go through all of these guys' keywords, choose all the buyer intent ones, add them to your website so that they fit grammatically, and add even more than what they have. Okay, so that's the first thing. You can also save your photos as keywords. So instead of it saying slide 1 here on this photo, put in like HVAC repair, Denver, Colorado, or whatever area you want to serve most, put that there. Okay, so that's the first thing. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is backlinks. So a backlink is when another website is linking to yours and it drives traffic to your website. So most commonly, these are shout outs in blogs or kind of like a directory of sorts. You can put your website and your business into these areas so that it links back to you. So again, they've done all the hard work for you. You have 32 backlinks coming from 5 different websites. If we check out your competitor, your top competitor, they have 1,500 backlinks coming from 480 websites. So you're probably asking, how the heck do I beat that? Well, like I said, they've done a lot of the hard work for you. So all you got to do is go into these, backlinks and click in here, add, sign up or whatever, get yourself listed on this website and link yourself. And that is considered a backlink. But not all backlinks are created equal. Just because they have 1,500 backlinks doesn't mean they're all trustworthy. So Google is looking for trustworthy, relevant websites that link to yours. If Pizza Hut is linking to you, that's not going to count. Google won't accept that because they know you're not in the food industry. You need HVAC, plumbing, insurance companies backlinking to you, blogs, for example, backlinking to you. Okay, so that's the second thing. And then the third thing is, how do we get you into this map pack? And this comes down to citations. You need to have more citations than the top person in this map pack. So what a citation is basically listing yourself into a directory. So anywhere you can put your business name, phone number, and address into a directory is called a citation. So you need to figure out how many citations the weather changers are in, add yourself to all the same ones since they've done all the hard work for you, and then add even more. So if they're in 150, put yourself in 250. So as a recap, if you can add more content with buyer intent keywords, at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and then riddle keywords all throughout your website. Number 2, get more backlinks than your top competitor. Number 3, get more citations than your top competitor in this map pack right here. If you can do all 3 of those things, it's not going to happen overnight. It takes some time, but if you can do that, your website will start to rank higher and higher in Google, and it will eventually get into this front page here. Okay, so if you have any questions or have any feedback for me, or need help doing this, or need advice, or would like to work together on this, please let me know. Whatever you decide to do with this information is okay with me. I just hope that you got something from it and that it was valuable to you. Okay, so call me if you need help. I will follow up with you guys, and I appreciate your time. Thanks so much.